What's up? This is Beau with Boardshop. We're up here at Mount Bachelor and I'm reviewing the 2017 Ride Helix. This board was definitely my favorite in line. It is a asymmetrical twin camber board, and asymmetrical edge is that the heel edge is different than the toe edge. So it makes it so you can carve a little harder and you don't wash out on your heel edge, making it about the same as your toe edge. Board has pop rods, carbon underneath the feet that give you that really good pop, slime walls so you're not cracking the edges or ruining it. The board has the Fusion 4000 base, which is a centered base. It's a little bit harder, a little more maintenance wax, but it's gonna last a long time and be super fast. This board is great for a park rider. You can hit big jumps, small jumps, rails. It's soft enough that you can press, but yet it's camber so you can hit big jumps. Definitely would not have a problem with it riding in powder or anything like that. The shape is, I like the shape a lot. To each his own, but I like it. Again, this is Beau with Boardshop up here at Mount Bachelor. This was the 2017 Ride Helix. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below or go to tactics.com and check it out.